No two stitches are the same, and this is what makes the pieces very beautiful and makes them your own. There's this payoff in the end where you have this garment you've made with your own two hands, and you know that there's not another one like it on the planet. I think this is a really beautiful thing. Today we'll be working on a 10 by 16 inch swatch. I'll walk you through the whole process. We'll explore some of our basic sewing concepts we like to call the physics of sewing. You'll also learn our signature method of reverse applique as well as negative reverse applique. After that, we'll explore ways to add embellishments and details to customize your project. I hope you'll join us. It's going to be great. See you there.